Hi, this is Sava, Technical Director of CoolU, and today I'm going to talk to you about why you need air conditioning in your new apartment. One of the key reasons you may need an air conditioning system in your new apartment is the fact that building standards nowadays mean that your apartment's probably built with fantastic insulation levels. So whereas you probably don't even need to switch your heating on in the winter because it's so efficient, because you're getting the heat from either your neighbours or from below, or just generally the solar insulation and the insulation in the ceilings, in the summer or as soon as the sun comes up, it becomes literally like a greenhouse. Another reason why you need AC is the fact that when it does get hot, it's not as simple as when you generally have a home or a house out somewhere where you can open the front windows, the back windows, and allow the heat to dissipate and you get a bit of a cross breeze throughout. Generally in new build apartments, either you can't open the window very much, or even when they do open, it's such a small amount and you don't have windows at the front and back to allow for that cross ventilation. So even though you might get a little bit of fresh air, it's not enough to dissipate the heat. On the rare occasion that you do live in an apartment where you're lucky enough to be able to open a window or a patio door, etc., you may not want to do that because of either the road noise or the pollutants from outside, because a lot of these buildings are by a busy road or railway, or maybe for security reasons, or you may have pets like a small cat or dog, and obviously you don't want to leave windows and doors open in case they go outside. So having a great internal AC system will mean that you can close the windows and doors and be fully cool and comfortable within your own space. So if you have any further questions on what I've just said, please do call us on the number below or visit our website. Thank you.